to Velocity Financial. Graham.
Brendan.
Interesting times we live in.
Oh, interesting. Apocalyptic times, Brendan.
Yeah, that's pretty strong.
Pretty strong. Interesting times.
Interesting time. Hey Graham, lots of people's mortgage payments are going up, right? So we did a bit of a brainstorm at Velocity Financial and came up with 11 things you could do to help that.
I'm going to start.
Sure.
Number one, so if you know that your mortgage is going to increase, start living like that now, save the money, you can then use that down the track. If you can't live like that now, then you need to do something about that.
Which brings us to option 2. You can put your KiwiSaver on a short-term holiday, which can put more cash in your bank in the short term, terrible for the long term, good for the short term.
Yep. Number 3, you can use your if you've got some savings or you've got some access to funds in your revolving credit account, you can use that to help manage the cash flow over the next 2 years, for example.
Got it. Number 4, you might have a spare room. Take out your hobby room, get a boarder. $200 a week might solve your problem.
Sure, or more.
Yeah?
Yeah. Get a boarder. Okay, number 5, you could get your KiwiSaver out, which I'm not a great fan of, but if you're hardship grant, go to KiwiSaver, they'll give you some funds, potentially, you then use that like the savings method.
Okay.
Number 6.
Number 6, we go to your bank and say, hey, we are struggling, we need to increase the length of the loan. They may or may not approve that, but if they do, we can reduce your payments by stretching your loan out.
So number 7, related to that, is that you could refinance to another bank. You would then also extend the term. And also that new bank is going to give you a chunk of change, money for turning up. You could use that to help with the new mortgage payments.
Indeed. Number 8, think about ways you could increase your income. Clearly get a new job, or do you need a second job, or do you need to whatever. Is there ways you can increase your income to support you?
Sell all your contents on TrackMe.
There we go.
Okay. Number 9, you could, interestingly enough, you could rent the house out. So if you've got family that are local, you've done the maths, it just doesn't work, you move out, you rent your house, you go and stay back with mum and dad.
Okay. Yep, possibility. Number 10.
Do you want your kids coming back with you?
Oh, no.
Okay.
Number 10, how can family help, right? So me, I'm 50-ish, I've got kids, the house is going to be their inheritance. Do they need to chip in and help us out for a period? Or do I have parents who can help out? We need to think this through.
Right, so start using the inheritance a little cleverly.
Yeah.
Okay. Number 11, Brendan. What's number 11?
It's not a good one, but it might be an option.
So you sell. If you cannot afford to hold on to the property, it's better that you sell and manage that process than the bank sell and manage that process.
Yeah.
Are you slightly depressed after that list of events?
There's some options that might be good and there's some options that aren't great, but there's some options.
That's right.
And I think what we want to say is the sooner you get onto this, don't wait till the week before your mortgage increases. If we've got months, we've got more options, so don't muck around. Our job is to work through which one's best for you and support you through this.